Hello guys! In this video, I will tell you how to fix Acer laptop black screen but still turns on. Working fix 2026. So, let's start this video. If your ASA laptop screen has suddenly turned black while you were using it, plug the charging cable in and try increasing the brightness by pressing the function key and right arrow key together. This may sound simple, but a lot of users have fixed the issue using this method. If this does not work, you can try resetting the graphics driver. To do this, press the Windows key plus Control plus Shift plus B on your keyboard together. Your screen will flash and start working again. If your ASA laptop screen still won't work, you can try performing a hard reset. To do this, first press and hold the power button to turn off your laptop completely. Then disconnect the charger and all other peripheral devices connected to your ASA laptop. Now press and hold the power button for at least 15 seconds. This will drain all the excessive power. After this, reconnect the charging cable to your laptop and press the power button to turn it back on. That's it! Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.